Okay, welcome back to another video on WordPress tips and tricks. The channel brought to you by simplewebsitesolutions.co.uk. In today's video, we are going to be looking at changing the theme in your WordPress website. So to do that, it's very simple. Log into your WordPress dashboard first of all. As you can see, I have done that, and I am here in the website wordpresshowto.co.uk, which is a domain name that I've registered especially for this YouTube channel. I'm going to be building the website and recording tutorials for each section as I do it. So subscribe for the progress on this website build and to see how to do lots of various other WordPress related things. But anyway, let's get on with it. Let's change the theme in this WordPress website. So in the dashboard, you need to hover over appearance to bring up these options, and you can see these options brought up here. You need to click on themes, and that will show you what themes are currently installed. So now this is the default WordPress themes that come installed with WordPress already. You can see the one on the left is the one that's activated because it has a customize button there and it says active. So we know this theme 2021 is the current theme that's live on the website, but we don't want it, or I don't want it anyway, because I know of a very good theme which is the one that 99% of the time I use. It's called Astra. It is very versatile, has great customization options. It's light, it doesn't slow the website down, and it's made by a really great developer team who release updates for it on a regular basis. So we are going to look at installing the Astra theme here. So to do that, I click Add New, and I can search in this search bar here for Astra. You don't need to click anything or hit return, just type in, just begin to type, and it will bring up results that match that. And here is, excuse me, here it is, here's Astra. So I'm going to click install, and it's going to sort that out for me and install Astra onto the website. If you had purchased a theme from an external source, maybe you've downloaded one from a theme website such as Theme Forest, this is where you would upload it as well. You would click on upload theme there, and then you'd simply select your document from your file manager and upload that. But as you can see, WordPress has been installed, sorry, not WordPress, the theme Astra has been installed onto WordPress. So we want to activate it now, and we just click on that button, and that is going to change the active theme over to Astra. That's all there is to it. That is how you change the theme on your WordPress website. So hopefully you found that easy to follow and helpful. Please subscribe for more videos. We've got a lot of content coming up as I build this website for you, and I'll be doing tutorials on every element. This video is the second video in a series of WordPress basic how-tos. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. There'll be lots of future content, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future uploads. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.